So that's where I used to hit. I used to smack that. And here's with my little helper here. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, because I start hitting the nose on this right before I can get this to the mounts. Sorry if I'm making you sick. I'm pretty impressed. I was able to get those guys in, and then I did a trick where I picked the motor forward and shoved something behind the cylinder head and the firewall to prop up the back end, but it seemed oddly stable. But check this out. I just unbolted everything so it could slide. When I pulled it out, it stayed in, and I was able to keep the engine and transmission level with that combination. Now you see why I wanted just that, I don't know, 6-8 inches to do this. Look, all I did was knock out one of the shims. You always want to go under and then shim up to pinion angle if you guys weren't sure. This is fancy and all. But yeah, it put it right back on the mount. I probably could have left it go, but what I wanted is, if it's in the way, I could just, if it was in the way, obviously it would push itself out. But it brought it in enough to put itself back into unbolted mounts nearly. Disgusting. Just figured I would share that. That's a nice one. Victory. You can't stay there. I got the ladder out, put my gloves on, and by the time I did that, he, she, him, her, it walked up into this void I didn't realize I had. Oh, no raccoons today. But a possum. Say hi to your friends, space rat.